warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, honorable chief guests, and my dear friends. My name is Nabisa Noushad, daughter of Muhammad Noushad Alam. I'm a student of Jamia Kashif Al Banat, and I'm going to give a short speech on Republic Day. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, 26th January. It's the 76th Republic Day of our country. This is the day when our country, India, became a republic in the year 1950. Republic Day is a national festival of our lovely country, India. Do you know what republic means? It means that India got its own constitution and become a country where people choose their own leaders. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of Constitution. It's a day to feel proud because it reminds of our rights and duties as citizens of this great nation. On this day in the schools and offices, we hoist our national flag, sing the national anthem, and remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose worked hard for our freedom. They fought continuously for our freedom. So we can never forget their dedication to our country. We should salute them on such occasions by remembering them. Republic Day makes us realize to democracy. It teaches us to live peace and unity. So it's our responsibility to keep our country strong, neat and clean. I love my country and I'm proud to be an Indian. Thank you.